You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names. For more confusing name pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is famous for, we've got tons for you coming up. Famous for being the name of a famous Canadian classical pianist, and it's also a fairly, I don't know, is it common? It's a surname in English, pronounced as Gould. Gould. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.